Hey Tommies, how y'all doing? This is just a regular cook and clean with me. Pretty much I'm trying to get back into the swing of cooking and cleaning after my surgery. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, if you're a lifetime loyal, welcome back. My name is Atoya Thomas. My husband is Douglas, and we have 3 beautiful girls, Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, and we are DAT Family 5. We are here to show you a family motivation. We show cleaning motivations, cooking motivations, anything a family does, that is what we show you. And we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation that you need to get through your days and to live your life more abundantly. So right here, me and Ezekia are cutting vegetables to make some fried cabbage with some sausage, and I'm going to cook the kitchen. So I hope y'all enjoy, and I get back to y'all soon. So if you're new to this channel, just a fun tidbit, who you see in the video is Ezekia. She is our 10-year-old third and final child. She likes to cook and she likes to do DIYs, and she will be getting her own channel shortly. So I hope that y'all will consider to subscribe to her channel as also to our channel. It's going to be that girl Ezekia. So we're so excited for her to get this channel and to find a way to put forth her creative styles. So yeah, so I'm just showing y'all the adobe. I put salt and pepper in it also. As you see, there's peppers and onions and cabbage, and we just gonna let it sit there and cook while I get to doing this dishes. All right, y'all enjoy.
Why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know we should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah. And I repeat it in my head, set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. When
All right, so as y'all saw, we put the Italian sausage into the cabbage, and I'm now getting the pots and pans clean. I did put a pan in the dishwasher, which I am still learning. That's so nasty, y'all know. So we have self-sufficient kids here, and the younger one, she is allowed to cook on the air fryer. But I'm trying to get her used to, after she cooking in the air fryer, to clean it, so that's why it looks so icky. Anywho, back to what I was saying. So I am learning that pots and pans should not be going into the dishwasher. Those things should be hand washed, only because some things hold on to water and it kind of can warp and mess up your pots and pans. So, you know, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. All right, so y'all enjoy this. We got about 5 more minutes left. We're gonna get some sink cleaning done. Got some bleach going on here, and then we're gonna scrub it out, and then clean out that corner, and put the dishes away, and put the small appliances away. So enjoy the music.
Destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
Hey, you guys, how y'all doing? Y'all doing good? Let me back it on up. Back it on up. Back it up. Hey, 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 hey. She's back, y'all. She's back, and she's back to back to back. Hey, hey. Okay. So the kitchen was partially clean. Everybody has eaten. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm not cleaning no more. I'm still trying to pace myself for stuff, and trying to get my kitchen back, because there's some things I cannot find. It's kind of like in shambles. I'm not complaining, just need to get it back, so there'll be no craziness going on in people's heads. But yeah, we appreciate y'all, and if y'all haven't yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and comment down below who you are and where you're from, what type of content you would like to see from us in the new year. And if you are part of my YouTube family, or you're brand new and you have a YouTube page, go ahead and put an arrow next to your name so that people can know who you are and we can share the love all around. I love y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video before I get to braiding. But as y'all can see, the girl got her hair did. When I tell you my girl did it, she did that gosh doggone thing. And I am sexy. I feel good. I feel amazing. Birthday is in, today's the 14th. All right, actually let's pause for a second. Today is the 28th. Y'all know I batch filmed before, and it's 3 days before my birthday, the 31st. 17 days. So I am excited, and I hope y'all are too. And I'll be a mother of a 17-year-old on a Thursday. Oh my goodness. All right, we see y'all at the end.